guys, it's your girl Siri here, back with another video. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button now, and don't forget to like, share and comment, and follow me on all socials at Hey Siri _ on Twitter. Now let's get into the festivities. Okay guys, so you don't know, PJs, hot chocolate, and it is December. It only means that it is Christmas time and time to put up that Christmas tree that won't get taken down until March. So I would love for you guys to journey along as we decorate my Christmas tree. Yeah, so let's get into this video. So guys, the theme for our Christmas tree this year is gold and white, and we're just realizing that the tree came with decoration. And we're hunting now for decoration. Oh, we got some. What happened?
I said it's just a few.
Yeah, it's just a few. So this is the first year we're ever using white tree. Normally it would be green, but this year we decided to switch it up a bit. So let's see how this will turn out. Alright. You think the small one will last, right? The big one go first.
Yeah. You see what you said?
This side top.
Okay, foot. That's the foot.
Yeah. So this is the foot. It's oh, oops, toward the instructions. The 3-step, it says metal stands. What? Metal. Oh well. Last Christmas, I gave you my heart. The very next day, you gave it away. Next year, and now to someone else. La 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 la. And this Christmas will be the very special Christmas for me. Oh, oh, oh. Let's straighten. Oh, the bra. Because it's looking a bit skinny down here.
Yeah, some might be the other way.
Oh, 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 oh. Make it down. Don't look back though. And I screw this so tightly in. How you go again? Righty, loosey, lefty. That's all. Guys, have you put up your Christmas tree yet? When do you normally take it down? Are you in the Christmas mood? Because I surely am. So as you guys can see here, I'm totally enjoying myself. And I'm just stacking the different levels of the tree onto each other. And then the next step is just to separate the branches that, you know, came stuck together to just let the tree look a bit more fluffier. But it was like a long task. Like, it took me a couple hours well to get the tree to where you guys are going to see that it ended up.
Few moments later.
Okay guys, so after that long tedious task, this is how the tree looks, all fluffed up. I made it as fluffy as possible. Yes, it sheds a little bit, but I could have worked with that. Now I'm about to add the ornaments, and at last minute I realized that the new ornaments that we got, we had to string them up on our own, and that was a task for me because I have nails on. So as I'm hanging the ornaments on the tree, I decided I want to share just a little message with you guys that despite the bad cards we have been handed in 2020, and it's affecting most of us Christmas spirit, I just want to say to you guys, don't let the bad situations, let me correct myself, the awful situations that we faced rob you of your joy, because though the bad situations, they will always be there as memories. How we handle our emotions, it will reflect on our future, which will affect where we are going. So don't stay in that dark tunnel, but just push forward and own your own outcome. Be the guide to your own outcome, and we will be fine. We will get through this. If it's one thing I know about 2020, it showed me that everyone has their own story, but everyone is still going through something. So just stay motivated. How we handle it is the difference. Just stay motivated as best as possible.
An eternity later.
Okay guys, so as I am still putting on ornaments on the tree, let's have a conversation down below. Let me know what color you're putting your tree in, and if you're going with the normal Christmas colors, or if you're switching it up a bit. And also tag me in your videos or pictures of you watching my video, and I will definitely repost them. And don't forget to share with your family and friends. Christmas is all about giving.
Much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Guys, it's like the white, because the tree is white, I decided to just put gold on the tree, like the gold ornaments, because the white not really showing that much. I'll probably put a little bit of white here and there, but for now I'm just trying to load it up with gold ornaments. Okay guys, I just want to say thank you for joining with me and decorating my tree. I hope you guys like it. Comment down below and let me know what you think, if you like the theme, the white and the gold. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and follow me on all socials at Hey Siri _ on Twitter. Enjoy your Christmas, and I'll see you next weekend in my video. Bye.